G'day guys, Ben here from Catch Pro. Today I want to show you the wheel locker. This is to secure your push mowers with a locking cap as well, which is pretty cool. This is an Australian made product, guys. So today we're going to run through the basic install. I'll quickly show you some of the things that you might need to get this done. So we've got a 13 and 17 mil spanner. We have an Allen key here. We got some tech screws today. We're going to be tech screwing it into the trailer, and we have a impact driver and a shifter as well. So first thing that you guys are going to want to do, this is preset for this mower, so you want to establish the location that you want to put this on your trailer, and then the next thing that you want to do is grab your push mower, guys, and slide it in and over, and make sure that you have this adjusted to keep that wheel tight, which you can see in this case is done. Then you also want to be able to lift up this locking cap and ensure that that this cap is down reasonably far on the wheel so that it will stop people from being able to pull this out. So once we have established this, we can go ahead and move this mower. Okay guys, so once we've established the location where we want to put it in, we can go ahead and tech screw this in to the trailer. Good. You get the other side in. Okay, now from this point we're ready to put it in and get the wheel locking cap going. So what you'll do is, every time you finish with your mower, put that in like so, and you can see, guys, this mower is not going to move. Okay, so with the push mower in the wheel chock section now, you can now lift up your locking cap and install your padlock, just like so. And there we have it.